What's going on, guys? Back with another exhaust video on the Silverado. So I actually didn't plan on going to the exhaust shop and filming this today. I really just got done filming the Does Exhaust Tips Make a Difference video where I cut my 6-inch exhaust tips off of the truck to show whether or not it changed the sound. Link in the description if you want to check out that video if you missed it. I only did that because I knew like next week I was going to be going to the exhaust shop and getting my new setup on. Well, I got to thinking, I don't know when y'all see this video. Next week is Thanksgiving and they're probably not going to be open. So I called them. They said bring it in like an hour. They could get me worked in. Let's check out what our new tips are going to be. Kind of opposite spectrums. So out with the old 6x18-inch exhaust tips. Absolutely huge, way bigger than I ever thought I would go. But I really did enjoy them, nice, tucked up in like we got them. They sounded good. They looked great. But they did drone. I'll talk about that more in a minute. But here's the new tips. 4x12. Tiny in comparison, right? But a relatively normal tip. 4x12. When it was true dualed, it was stupid loud. Sounded awesome. With the X-Pipe now, it is more tame, but it also sounds amazing, and I've really enjoyed it. All the videos of me drag racing it, it sounded so sick with X-Pipe. We're not doing the double-sided exit anymore. We're actually going to attempt to do a dual exit right here. Something close to this, tucked up right here with the tips coming out, so hopefully eliminate our drone issue. But it probably is going to be loud, both of them coming out true dualed with X-Pipe out the side right here, both of them. It's probably going to be freaking loud, and it should sound wicked. So I'm stoked. This is a different setup than I've ever gone before. Obviously that's the point. We're changing it up. We went with muffler delete, resonator delete, true dual with the X-Pipe. Now we're doing true duals with the X-Pipe side exit. But I think this has got major hope of being the best sounding setup we've had so far. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the truck, head to the exhaust shop, and we'll get this knocked out. We got one on there. Dude, it's gonna look so good. It's gonna look super impressive. I'm calling it y'all. It's a good choice. Hacking her up, dude. It looks sick. I'm stoked. Oh, ladybug crying. Oh, yeah. Dude, I'm stoked. New exhaust is on. I think it's gonna sound freaking sick. Oh, there's a police. That's not any fun. So we're gonna have to be chill, at least right here. Yes! Yes! Oh my gosh, that sounded amazing. That's what I was looking for. Oh, it's a cop. Jeez. But yeah, that sounded sick. She was screaming. I'm excited to see or hear what this thing sounds like outside, and honestly to see what the truck looks like from the outside as well. truck. It scoots. That's fast enough. Y'all never see me retrieving the camera, but I always have to go retrieve it, whether that's me running or doing a circle, or is that a popo? Holy barnacles. I think he's not. There's a car behind him. That was a sheriff. We're gonna go retrieve. He's going pretty fast. He might be about to whip it around. All right, he didn't. He went about his merry way. The sheriffs around here, which that was a sheriff, not a police. All the dudes around here are usually very chill, don't bother you, don't really care unless you're doing something actually wrong. Just a normal that's drone city right there. I don't know if y'all can actually hear it on camera. Anything above 2,000, no drone. But right there at the 1600 RPMs and then right at 1900 sometimes, pretty bad drone. All right, guys, well, there she is. True Duals X pipe coming out the passenger side, 4 by 12 inch exhaust tips. I think it sounds really good. I'm absolutely in love with the way it looks. Looks so sporty, so aggressive. It's a nice change of pace. I'm loving it. It's definitely staying side exit at the rear like this for a while because I'm loving it. As far as the sound goes, I think it sounds really good, but it's not as loud as I thought it would be. I thought it would be noticeably louder, having the 2 tips coming out one side rather than them coming out on each side of the spare tire. Probably about the same. It's definitely a little bit different of a sound, which sounds really good, but it is also still droning, which is crazy to me because we did the True Duals, no crossover with the big tips. It was droning, so I figured it was the tips. We cut those off, still droning, but we'd put the X pipe on at that point. So the drone did not change when we cut the tips off. The pipes were still up beside the spare tire, so then I was thinking I was just bellowing underneath the bed. Well, apparently not, because now we have them coming out literally past, you know, it's not under the truck anymore. It's sticking out, it's blowing the exhaust out here, but it's still droning at that like 1600 RPMs. So I'm assuming now it's the X pipe. So I think what's left is us to go take the X pipe out, see what the actual no crossover True Duals will sound like coming out right here. And then hopefully that will cure our drone issue. And if not, then this truck is just doomed to have drone. If that doesn't fix it, then yeah, it's gonna forever have drone. I don't know what else to say. But I do think it would sound really good with no crossover. It'd be louder, more choppy. I think them being right next to each other would be super aggressive. It is funny, the day I got this exhaust, I was up doing some shopping with Lauren, and I was actually walking Huey in the parking lot. And some guy came up in the truck and he's like, "Hey man, what kind of exhaust you got on there? It sounds awesome." He even asked if it was cammed because, you know, sitting there, kind of a little bit of a lope going to it. which is funny because y'all see the, you know, in the videos, y'all give compliments and stuff, but that was literally the first time I've ever got a compliment in person, someone coming up just specifically for the exhaust. So that was really cool. But yeah, hopefully I was able to give y'all some fresh angles on the exhaust, because we've done a lot of exhaust videos. I don't want them to get boring by doing the exact same driving on the road. So changed up the locations. I think it was really cool, especially going over that bridge. I thought that was awesome. So yeah, that is her. And y'all comment down below, let me know, should I go take the X pipe out? I really think I'm going to. I think it would sound absolutely wicked with that out. I know a lot of y'all miss the True Duals, and I don't think I've ever seen a video of actual True Duals, no crossover, coming out one side like this. So that'd be an interesting video. So I think I'm probably gonna do it, but y'all definitely tell me in the comments to go do it, so I'll be sure to. And so that's about it for this video. Y'all see the Black Trail Boss over there. Some content coming with it very soon. Not gonna spoil it though. So with that being said, hopefully you did enjoy. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think about the new exhaust. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next one.